the other thing we want to do is we want to pull this grommet. This is a factory grommet off the bottom of the other airbox and secure it into place. You can see the position it goes into here. And then we'll take the air filter and it goes into place and it snaps into place with a quarter turn like that. So and it's a quarter turn either direction. So I turned it a quarter turn, in this case to the right. So this is now in place. We're going to go back to the car and now install our connectors, the tubes, and get this all put into place. So there's a 3-inch collar that comes along that joins between the tube off the turbo. You want to make sure that you orient these clamps in the correct way. So you want to have one on one side and one on the other like this, and they'll be stacked on top of this here. It's an 8mm nut driver, so we'll slide these on. And I'm going to tighten them up a little bit so they don't slide down the pipe too far. These should be just firm enough so they don't slide down. So we'll have one on one side, like that. We'll set in the other, stacked right on top, like this. And again, we've got a clamp on one side, we've got the clamp on the other, so we can get to both really cleanly. Okay, so that way, and again, they're just secure enough so they won't slide down. I don't want to be chasing them and going into the motor. The motor's still a little bit warm right now, so that's not something that I really particularly want to do. So now we've got our connection tube, we've got our MAF sensor mounted properly and in the correct orientation, and we just simply take this and we slide this down into this collar. Now, like I said, you want to have this on fairly loosely so you can still successfully get this to come down and fit in well, and then you'll tighten it up later. It'll come down and you'll tighten these up once all the positions are in place. All right, so let's get the box and put that into place.